Good afternoon. Thank you very much for logging in. We will start the meeting in a couple of minutes. Till then, enjoy our journey, be a part of it, see how we have transformed, where we have, and you'll be able to speak to Dr. Murphy in a bit. Thank you. Stay tuned. Good afternoon, each and everyone. सबने अपने वीडियो क्यों छुपा लिए हैं? हम कॉफी विद मूफी के लिए इसीलिए आए ताकि हम आप सबको देख सके. आप अभी ऐसे छुप के बैठेंगे तो क्या फायदा? डॉक्टर मूफी आप सबको देखने आए हैं आज. ग्रेट, दिस इज गुड, दिस इज वेरी गुड. सो कुछ लोग मुझे जानते हैं, कुछ लोग मुझे नहीं जानते हैं. सो मेरा नाम अफाफ है, मैं न्यूट्रिशन टीम से हूँ. सो थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने आज लॉग इन किए. आप देख रहे थे कुछ प्रेजेंटेशन चालू था कुछ देर पहले, हमने कहा प्लीज लुक इनटू दैट प्रेजेंटेशन. वो क्या था? दैट इज अ जर्नी. आई एम श्योर आपको डॉक्टर मूफी को मिले काफी महीने या साल हो गए होंगे. So it's just to get you on track what Dr. Murphy is up to. So Dr. Murphy, of course, someone might say he's a god. He can give a second. He's giving us a second life. He has saved many lives. During COVID, he was out there fighting the virus in the first wave. After things settled down, now our practice, हमारी practice अभी HN Reliance Hospital में move हो चुकी है. So we are no longer associated with Saifi. हमारे ओपीडीज, हमारे कंसल्टेशंस, हमारे जो भी अभी एंडोस्कोपीज है वो सब हमारे एचएन रिलायंस में अभी होते हैं. So what you need to do is, if you want to book an appointment, please make sure that you are getting in touch with us. We'll book an appointment. So we are consulting online also. During the pandemic, we don't want you simply come. So don't stress about it. And now, after that, second wave again has come. So the team mentored by Dr. Murphy is out here taking care of all the COVID patients. We are doing home monitoring, COVID nutrition programs for recovery, counseling. So everything that you need. The reason हम ये सब आपको बता रहे हैं ताकि आपको ये ना लगे कि अगर हमें deficiencies है तो ही डॉक्टर मूफी के पास जाना है, कुछ दिक्कत है तो ही जाना है. नहीं. The team is here to help you out for everything. All you have to do is pick up the phone and let us know. So, and about that, you might have seen काफी transformations. This is like a mixed batch. कुछ लोगों की सर्जरी 3-4 साल पहले हुई है, कुछ की recently हुई है. So this is like a mixed batch. So that is the reason हम ये कह रहे हैं that people who have undergone surgery, who have shown great transformation, जो अपनी एक story बताना चाहते हैं, what was the problem, and हमें अभी कैसा महसूस हो रहा है. Please share your before and after picture. Share your journey. You can be a role model for someone. I'm sure everyone out here is a role model. So please make sure that आप आपकी journey जो है share कर रहे हैं. Either by pictures or social media पे अगर आप tag कर रहे हो, you can tag Digestive Health also. So we'll be more than happy to showcase your journey. अगर आप 1 मिनट का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हो, great. We have been doing this since years, and we always send a small surprise for people who keep doing this because this is spreading the good word. As we always say, सलमान खान हमेशा कहता है कि हमने आपके लिए अच्छा किया है, आप 3 लोगों को और कहिए, उन 3 लोगों को और कहिए अच्छा करने. So let's start the chain of good things, because I'm sure आज जो भी है they have got whatever they wanted. जो हमारा reason था सर्जरी कराने का, I hope you have got that. And of course Dr. Murphy will be logging in shortly, but हम सबको बता दे, this is not a strict consultation. आपको घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है that the nutritionist is online, डॉक्टर आ रहे हैं तो आप सबको supplements और medication का पूछेंगे. Of course that we will connect later on after the session, but for now, let's keep the negativity aside and focus on the positivity, the proper positivity, not the COVID one. Okay, so please make sure that आप आपकी जो भी journey है वो share कर रहे हैं हमारे साथ. And today, whatever you want to speak to Dr. Murphy, you will get a chance. So I know it will be like a quick rapid fire because Dr. Murphy again is out on the front lines taking care of the COVID patients, and thanks to him, the numbers have been down again. So taking time out of his busy schedule, he'll be sharing some time with all of us. So you will get 1 minute to say whatever you want. So make it worthwhile. Complications related, we are there. So if you want us to ask about supplementation and anything, we are here. And I think so you have been seeing Soulfuel. This is so for everyone to remind, please don't miss protein. I know you have been telling us from the day you all have got operated, but this is something very, very important, especially during COVID times. प्रोटीन प्लीज कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करिए, हमारी इम्यूनिटी प्रोटीन से जुड़ी है. तो कितने भी साल हो गए सर्जरी के, प्लीज प्रोटीन लीजिए. And we have launched our own website of Soulfuel. You will get discounts if you purchase protein, Soulfuel fiber from there. We have subscription plans. These are specially for people who forget to purchase protein unless one last scoop is left. So please, for more discounts, for more benefits, please purchase from the website. अगर कुछ query है, you can get in touch with us. We have a Eat Right prescription book. अगर आपके पास कुछ interesting recipes है with protein, please share it with us. I have Vikas on call. Well, Vikas was the one who had actually listened to us when we used to say make ice cream out of protein, and he had posted on his wall. So it is something very, very interesting that you can do with your protein. Because I know the time we say protein supplement, you'll be like, but trust me, it tastes better than medications. जब हम बीमार रहते हैं, medications flavor नहीं होती है, but we take so that हम ठीक हो सके. Protein is a daily need. So make it like an ice cream. I know it's rainy season, ठंडा नहीं लोगे. Hot chocolate सब लोग लेते हैं. So you can add a bit of cocoa powder to it. You can add hot milk to it. Add it in your hot coffee. Do something like that. Make something interesting. And if you have some more interesting recipes, you can share it with us. We'll be more than happy to publish it and give you your due credits. And please come forth and share your journey. आपकी जो भी journey रही है, please आप आगे आके सबको बताइए if you are comfortable with that, so that you can inspire someone. There are many inspirational stories today. I'm sure you can keep it short and crisp when Dr. Mufi comes and tell, but you can tell it in detail to us so we can post on our page. So there are many people who have not put in their names today. Please आपके नाम लिखिए when you're logging. It's easier for us to call out the names. And other than everyone, we have our specialist, Dr. Giriraj Gandhi, who has come specially to speak to you all. Let me give you a brief introduction about Dr. Giriraj Gandhi. He specializes in post-bariatric body contouring. So who is it for? So he'll be, of course, addressing all those concerns. Also, many of our patients, जिनकी सर्जरी हो गई है, जिन्हें बहुत लूज स्किन के इश्यूज है, and they want to find a solution, resolve kaise karna hai. So Dr. Giriraj will be taking a couple of minutes to speak to you, and he will be the one telling you like if you want to consult him or some basic questions that you have. For a detailed consultation, we'll be more than happy to fix consults with him. He is here 1 to 2 times a week at Digestive Health. We can fix one-on-one consults also. If you stay far, no worries, we are doing Zoom online video consultations as well. So Dr. Giriraj Gandhi, over to you. This is a mixed batch who have completed more than a year. So you'll be able to address them in a better manner.
Thank you, Afa.
Sorry, I'm not able to hear you.
Thank you. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you so much. So first of all, welcome to this great post-bariatric sort of support group. And I would like to introduce myself. I'm Dr. Giriraj Gandhi. I'm a plastic surgeon. And after you have had bariatric surgery, a lot of people, after losing 40-50 kilos following the surgery, a lot of people do face a problem of excess skin and loose skin all over the body. So earlier, I mean, people did not know that there are facilities available to, get rid of that problem. And I basically specialize in post-bariatric body contouring. And if any one of you has any questions related to that, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and solve whatever doubts that are there in your mind regarding. So usually we say that you should meet a plastic surgeon only after a year and a half following your bariatric surgery, because that is when you are usually at your plateau weight. You have stopped losing any more weight, and that is also when the problem of loose skin starts troubling you the most. So if any one of you have any concerns regarding the same, please feel free to contact me.
So Dr. Giriraj has changed many lives. It's not that, people don't need body contouring. People who are 150 and above, who have achieved a massive weight loss. So they have undergone surgery. If you consult Dr. Giriraj, he'll be able to show you real pictures, not something that you see online, which can be, edited. So you be able to see the transformation that a person goes from. It's actually life-changing. So for people who have loose skin around their arms or on their tummy or in their buttocks or on the thigh side, wherever is your issue, Dr. Giriraj will be in a position to help you out and also show you pictures with regards to it. So whatever queries you have, you can please let us know. We'll be more than happy to fix a consult. Thank you, Dr. Giriraj. And now, since we are a couple of minutes away from Dr. Mufi logging in, we have some stars today who have logged in so they can share their journey and inspire everyone. So starting with Sneha. Hi Sneha, so lovely to see you. You can introduce yourself and tell everyone what was your problem before surgery, the reason why you got operated, and how are you now?
Okay, fine. Hello, hi everybody. If you all can see me.
Yes, we can see the pretty face. Tell us.
Oh, pretty face. I've just traveled I told you I was on my way to my home. Anyways, I think I had my surgery done 10 years back and I used to weigh somewhere around 108, 105 kgs. I am down to 60 kilos. My age is 45 and I don't think so, apart from the surgery, anything better, apart from having my children plus the surgery, anything better has ever happened in my life. And this is how I look even at the age of 45. No filters, nothing, whatever it is, and no hair loss or nothing of that sort. Yes, a little bit you have to take care. And I think any which ways everybody has to take and, give yourself that kind of 45 minutes to 1 hour. But the surgery has definitely changed my life for better.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Sneha. Really happy that you logged in today and shared your journey. We have Meenal also. We have met Meenal quite some time. So Meenal, you can unmute yourself and tell us about yourself. What was the situation? How are you feeling? And how the surgery has changed your life?
मेरी सर्जरी हुई 2016 में. I was 120 almost. और मुझे तकलीफ थी, मेरा बीपी कभी स्टेबल नहीं रहता था. मुझे अस्थमा भी था. After the surgery, I think so 1.5 month after that, मेरे सब डॉक्टर्स ने दवाइयां बंद कर दी. मैंने आज तक एक भी पफ लिया नहीं है अस्थमा का. Not even the tablet. मेरा जो बीपी का टैबलेट था वो भी बंद हो गया. Everything is totally this thing. So I'm very happy with this. Wow. I'm very happy, very confident. It is really good experience altogether. And one thing is, before this, with the meeting Dr. Mufi, 2-3 साल में अलग-अलग डॉक्टरों को मिल रही थी. But I was not having that confidence to get surgery done. ऐसे था. But the day I met Dr. Mufi, I took a decision in a week and I did it. वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस था वो मुझे डॉक्टर मुफी ने दिया. मैंने काफी सारे लीलावती गई, हिंदुजा गई. आई मेट सो मेनी डॉक्टर्स फॉर द बैरेटिक सर्जरी एंड दिस एंड दैट. नथिंग मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जब डॉक्टर पॉजिटिव हो ना तो पेशेंट और भी कॉन्फिडेंट हो जाता है.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you, Meenal, for being so honest. We love that about you.
Hello.
Love that. हाँ जी Meenal, आपकी आवाज आ रही है.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. Please stay on call. Dr. Mufi will be logging in shortly. Then next we have our champ, Mr. Amar Ashar, who has lost weight, who has joined gym. He's staying fit, taking his supplements and encouraging others also. So Mr. Amar, you can tell everyone about your journey.
Hi, thank you very much. So same case with me, like I was almost 192 kgs that I had reached. And I was suffering with the kind of diabetic condition because of obesity. Then I had hypertension. And one day the same thing. So like I was not getting confidence. But the day I met Mr. Mufi, and in that day only we decided, within a month I was on the surgery table. And so far the weight loss for me has been almost close to around 75 kgs and still going on. So definitely post during this lockdowns, the workouts have been not that great that I used to have it, and I used to enjoy at the gym with Dr. Mufi and you all. But of course, soon maybe it should get back to the normal. And of course, with the guidance of yours, Afab, on the food and nutritions and the other factors, and always like, so the confidence that we gain, the Dr. Mufi, and of course the skin sagging thing, which I've already been wanted to meet, I'd already met, but unfortunately the situation happened. And that's also been pending from my, as soon as it gets over, I should be there. But saying that, yes, I am not been having any kind of medical issues in terms of like my sugar tablets have already been long time, after only 7 months down the line, it had got stopped. My hypertension, I had reached to PAN 80, that kind of, not PAN 80, I was talking about Telma H80. That's what the kind of hypertension that I used to have it, and everything is like normal. And my heartbeats also don't go beyond around, even in the very highest workout that I do, don't cross a limit of 100, 105. So that's been a great journey. And of course, entire lifestyle change for the entire family, not only to me, but for the entire family. Thank you very much. And indeed, definitely look forward to meeting Dr. Mufi. And so, of course, then great help from your side during the time that I have also diagnosed with COVID. So this team had helped me a lot, and very much approachable, that I would say, just like a family.
You all are a part of family. That's the reason you keep a close check on you, and this coffee with Mufi is a part of it, because Dr. Mufi wants to know how everyone is doing, even if he's not able to meet them in person. So he's like, let's keep the seriousness aside. Let's just meet like over a cup of coffee. So that's the reason we started with Mufi. So thank you, Mr. Amar. You can please stay online. We are still waiting for a star of the evening, Dr. Mufi. As soon as he logs in, we all will get the rapid fire to speak to him. So stay tuned. Meanwhile, what you all can do is get yourself your mug of coffee, because as soon as Dr. Mufi comes, we have a tradition of taking a picture with him with our coffee mugs. So make sure you don't miss that. So meanwhile, I'm speaking to everyone else. You all can keep your cup of coffee with you, or tea. That's okay, as long as you have your mug with you. Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Let me see who else I can ask. Mr. Vikas is busy on call, so I will address him in a bit. Monga ji, कैसे हो आप? सर जी, आपको अनम्यूट करना होगा. हाँ जी.
जी, मैं बहुत अच्छा है जी. मैं नवंबर 2017 में मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ था. मेरी सभी इंटेस्टाइन्स भी आपस में उलझी हुई थी और बहुत ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम थी. मैं दिल्ली में 4-5 हॉस्पिटल में दिखा चुका था, जिसमें कोई डॉक्टर इस पर हाथ डालने को राजी नहीं था. वो कहते हैं 99% चांस है कि आप सर्वाइव नहीं करेंगे अगर हम इसको ऑपरेट करेंगे. तो जब मैं डॉक्टर मुफी से मिला तो उन्होंने कहा जी 100% चांस है आप ठीक होंगे, 99 नहीं 100% चांस आप बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएंगे. मेरे घर वाले जो पहले तैयार ही नहीं होते थे, जब उनको मैंने डॉक्टर मुफी से मिलवाया और उन्होंने ऐसा हौसला दिया तो मेरे घर वाले भी सभी तैयार हो गए. और जिस दिन मेरा ऑपरेशन था 11 घंटे तक उन्होंने ऑपरेशन किया और कोई मेरे अलावा किसी का ऑपरेशन उन्होंने नहीं किया. और ऑपरेशन के दौरान 2-3 बार बाहर आके उन्होंने मेरे घर वालों को हौसला दिया कि बिल्कुल चिंता नहीं कीजिए, ऑपरेशन बिल्कुल ठीक हो रहा है. मेरा 140 kg वेट था जो अब मेरा 101 पे आ गया है और मेरी वो सारी इंटेस्टाइन्स प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व हो गई. जो मेरी शुगर लेवल था, HbA1c भी मेरा 9.8 9.9 रहता था, वो अभी बिना किसी मेडिसिन के 6 या 5.9 आ रहा है. ब्लड प्रेशर जो मेरा हमेशा हाई ब्लड प्रेशर था बिल्कुल नॉर्मल है. डॉक्टर मुफी ने मुझे बिल्कुल अपने घर का मेंबर मान के मेरा ऐसा किया जो मैं उनका कभी जिंदगी में एहसान नहीं भूल सकता.
थैंक यू केजी जी. मंगा जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपके फीलिंग जानकर. ऑफ कोर्स Dr. Murphy, you can say amongst this all this negativity, the proper positivity that you need in your life is Dr. Murphy. And trust me, he's the most honest doctor you'll ever meet. He will always give you an honest feedback, honest suggestion about everything. तो हमें बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है that आप लोगों ने जो intention से surgery किए थे, you have got everything. And I think so this is what you can say is a silver lining for him, to know that you are getting what you all wanted. And everyone who's home, who's wondering if you want to stay fit, what needs to be done? If you want to consult, what needs to be done? हमारे online consultations अभी भी जारी है. So we are doing video consultations also. We are doing online diet programs also. So the reason why we are saying this is nutrition and wellness program, diet programs. The reason why we are saying this so that अगर आप आपके immediate family members who want to stay fit, we are here to help you out. We are doing online fitness, online nutrition, overall wellness, anything, COVID nutrition, everything that you need, we have under one roof. So please come up with you. Yes, Neha.
Yeah, Dr. Giriraj से मुझे थोड़ा सा अपने skin के हिसाब से पूछना था, तो if I can ask.
Okay.
Please tell me. Hello, hi.
Hello, Dr. Giriraj, this is Sneha Bhagat.
Hi.
I'm 45.
Right.
And I do not have any other issues with loose skin. Now I want something that is going to affect with my age, obviously. So if you could consult me, my number is there with Afaf, or if you
Sure. But looking at your picture over here, I don't think you need anything, huh?
No. I have crows and all these
Right.
things. I don't want that.
Okay, fine. Sure, we'll get back to you with.
Yeah,
right?
once it is done, you just let me when I can, because I'm going to have an appointment with sir. Then I can align, because I am basically based in Pune. So when I come to Bombay, yeah, so I should know exactly, and I want to get the procedures also done
Okay.
immediately. Whatever minimization I had done it 4 years back. Now again,
Right.
I think I need a little bit of.
Okay, fine. I'll connect you mostly. From what I understand, what you were talking about is Botox. Is what
I don't know. I want you to tell me ki what all is needed.
Yeah.
So that
Okay.
can be done.
Okay, sure.
So Sneha, we can fix one consult specially for you so that you can at length speak to Dr. Giriraj about all the issues, and he's in a position to help you out. So don't stress. I'm happy that you came up when you spoke to Dr. Giriraj. We'll be more than happy to fix a consult with him. So
Absolutely. I'll be scheduling my appointment according to whatever test reports I get, and I'll speak to my family. Once it is done, I should be staying in Mumbai as long as I get all my reports and everything is sorted.
perfect.
Because right now my only concern is the weakness that I'm having, and my intake of food has gone down to 1/4 of normal, whatever it is.
So
my
we will address all the queries since we have followed up in a really long time. So let's take it off the meeting and tackle all the queries that you have.
Done.
Okay?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Thank you. Stay on call. I have someone with the name Primanshu Chaudhary.
Yes.
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 How
Yes,
are you?
Afa.
I'm meeting you, I guess, for the first time. We
Yeah.
a call, so we are not met. But I'm really happy that you came in today to be a part of this meeting. Enlighten us with your journey, the reason why you chose Dr. Murphy above everyone else.
Yes. I just completed 6 years. I was 146 kgs, and I think one way or another, all the problems which our other friends here has described, I also had the same problem. And I had earlier a major accident, and one of my doctors at Raheja and earlier at Nanavati, I met him, and in fact, he suggested me to meet Dr. Murphy. And I met him, and I think within around 8-9 days, I got my bariatric surgery done. So I'm 52, and I have been able to maintain weight from 146. I keep on varying between 77 and 80, depending upon, a couple of kg here and there. But else, it's been a good journey. I was not able to walk even, didn't want to walk for at least a kilometer for last few years, I have taken my trips, whether religious or otherwise, and been able to walk like 30, 40, 50 kilometers, been able to do. I'm able to work and feel young. Feel young. People who see my 15, 18-year photograph, so they say, okay, you've gone little grayish and all that. But else, look like the way I used to. It's been a great journey. I think that is one of the best decision I have taken. It's a rebirth of a time. I wouldn't have been able to spend that much time, quality time with my kids, my family. So it's a great, and it's 6 years. So and good to see. I think I heard Mrs. Bhagat talking and Amar talking. So it's good to see people who have been able to continue on the journey. Yes, I agree with Amar. Last couple of months has not been really as good. I'm in Bangalore right now and not been able to go for as many walks I would like to or do the exercise. So little bit of sagging is there, but otherwise it's great. I think after a couple of months after the operation, it's been a really good life. Very, I mean, and all the thanks to Dr. Mufi and a lot of my colleagues. I forget the name, but I have been meeting. I have met him a couple of times after that, but it's been quite a while.
Great, great. I'm so happy. And you are as young as your heart is. You don't really look that old. So you're maintaining yourself really well. And I'm really happy that you followed everything what we said and you're benefiting from the surgery, what you had expected. I'm really happy.
Oh, yeah. Only thing is, since Dr. Giriraj was not there, so I have to get on with the beard because while other things are fine, you have little sagging here. So instead of doing, I had to grow the beard. Otherwise, people say, "Oh, you're going thin," or "What has happened to you?" types. So that's the only thing addition. I never had beard in my life, but
it's a good innovation.
Nice one, but nevertheless, you're never late for anything. Dr. Giriraj is still here. If you want anything, he'll give you a better option. You can get rid of the beard and you can.
Yes. I think once the lockdown there, because I spent 50% time in Mumbai and in Bangalore. So hopefully once the travel starts, I will definitely, because yes, I do have a loose skin issue, below that. So, suddenly no weight here, but those loose skins are there and hard to get rid of. So definitely when I come next time, anyway, I have to meet up and will definitely meet with Dr. Giriraj.
Yeah, most commonly it is the abdomen area which most people are concerned about because that is where.
Yeah, mine is like below abdomen. I have to carry. I think if I take care of that, another few kgs will just go off because otherwise else I'm able to do good. So definitely we'll talk about, and now things are stabilized, so it's probably good time.
Yes, absolutely. So everyone, Dr. Giriraj actually, he practices actually in Pune. Is just for us. He comes down specially to Mumbai to meet the patients, to perform surgeries and everything. So since the things settle down, he'll be coming here once or twice every week. So if you all want to meet him in person, please let us know.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, Pramanchu. We'll be looking for you to meet you here in Mumbai after a really long time. And I think Dr. Mufi will be more than happy to meet his patients in person.
Great. Thanks, Apar.
Thank you. Please stay on call. You will, of course, get the chance to speak to Dr. Mufi as well. Okay, so we have silent spectators also who are wondering what's happening. Everyone is like talking, no one is bringing our names. So please, now I know you all are feeling shy, maybe because you are meeting me for the first time. Everyone has put off their cameras and I will be taking their names. And please put your proper name so I can spell out because, of course, I'm meeting you for the first time. So rather than weird numbers, it's better to pronounce your names. So Vikas, you were the one who was left. You were busy on call. You can tell everyone about your journey. You are the youngest of the lot who have recently got operated. So tell them about what your journey is. Mr. Vikas also has lost around good 50-55 kgs. And yeah, he's doing fantastic. So tell them about your journey with Dr. Mufi.
Yeah, my journey started way back in October 2019. I heard about Dr. Mufi much before that. I had a friend who was operated by him, and I bumped onto him in the airport, and I couldn't recognize he's the same guy. I had to need to call him on his mobile and check whether he was the same guy or I was confused with the same person. So I called up on and said, I'm in so and so airport. I said, I'm also in the same airport. So we ended up going on the same flight to Delhi, and we met during that journey. And I was so astonished to hear about his weight loss thing that I thought I'll get it done. But somehow I was not mentally prepared, or I was too busy with some other work that I didn't give a lot of attention to it. Then when my health went further wrong, that my weight went up to 147 kgs, that was the high time. I thought, no, I need to get it done. I booked an appointment. I came down to Bombay. I met everyone in the clinic for the first time. That time my weight was around 130, 135. And then I left back. I said, okay, fine, I'll think and come back. So after that, exactly after a year, after first meeting doctor and everyone, I made up my mind that I need to get this surgery done. And then I was there. And it was, the process all went very smooth. It was pretty quick. Things went off very well. And my sister stays in Bombay. I stay in Odisha. My sister said, you are mentally prepared for this surgery. So we are hoping that you will get it done very nicely. And it was. It was indeed a good journey. From 147, I'm now 93. I'm 93. I'm hale and hearty. My diabetes has gone. My blood pressure medicines are off. And I had this weird habit of snoring at the night, and a little discomfort in sleeping because of the weight. All those issues have gone. Have completely gone. The only loss the one loss which I should claim from Dr. Mufi's clinic is change of my wardrobe. They should pay me for my wardrobe. Yeah, I have to change my wardrobe. They should pay me back for my wardrobe.
Women are happy for that. We should not be complaining about it or getting an opportunity to shop.
So I changed my wardrobe completely after that, and I have seen people asking me. Some people told me, don't tell that you have gone under a surgery. I don't know why people feel that way. I was very happy sharing that I have done a surgery. There's nothing wrong in it. It's your own body. You're doing it for the betterment of your own body. So nothing wrong in it. And I find it quite interesting. If somebody asks me, I keep motivating people. I say that if you cannot do it on your own, go for the weight loss surgery. Nothing wrong in it. I'm the live example. Now it's almost 2 years. I don't see any problem, slight problem. And the problem only comes when I don't take supplements properly, or I'm not following the schedule properly. Then only the problem creeps in. Otherwise, problem doesn't creep in. And I keep telling people that you should get it done if you feel so. You cannot do it on your own. I tried dieting. I tried exercises. I tried gyms. I tried intermittent fast. I've tried everything. I've tried everything under the sun. See, main thing is what I feel for weight loss surgery is the first kick, first push, which this surgery can give. After that, you're motivated. In last lockdown, I used to walk for 3 hours in a day. I used to sweat like anything. From my clothes used to get totally wet with the sweat, and I had a lot of free time, and the surgery was there. I thought, why not to utilize this time? I lost a lot of weight during that lockdown because of the same thing, and I feel it's the best thing I've done in my life. I should have done 5, 6 years earlier when I came to know about this. I should have done it that time. Anyway, never late. It's better to be done than late. I'm happy. I would suggest people to go for it before it's too late. They should do it as early as possible if they cannot reduce the weight by their own. That's it.
Thank you so much, Vikas. Everyone out here, I'm sure Dr. Mufi has changed your life. Please make sure you are the one changing others' life who you feel needs the surgery the most. Not to scare you all, but just to give you all a heads up that COVID, people who are on the obese side are more prone to getting COVID. So amongst your loved one, if you feel there is someone who's on the obesity side, who's scared to undergo surgery, who has diabetes, who has a lot of other ailments, and they're taking medications for it. Trust me, bariatric surgery will help. And for people who are wondering if it's safe to undergo bariatric surgery during COVID times, yes. Since we have moved to HN Reliance Hospital, it's a non-COVID hospital. And even during this scenario, we are performing surgery with proper COVID protocols in place. So please don't hesitate. If and apart from everything, I would like to tell everyone about this, that I know we feel Dr. Murphy is one of the best bariatric surgeons, but don't forget that Dr. Murphy is one of the best laparoscopic surgeons. So as in all the laparoscopic surgeries, like if you have a gallbladder stones, if you have hernia, if you have issues with appendix or anything that needs addressing or another surgery, Dr. Murphy will be in a position to help you out. We do onco surgeries as well. So if you or any of your known family members need a surgery, you can please get consult done with Dr. Murphy. Anything with regards to GI, a lot of acidity, anything. So apart from bariatric surgeries, also we do a lot of surgeries laparoscopically, so that there are no scars or minimal scars. So imagine Dr. Murphy does that also. It's just to like give you all this knowledge about, because many of us feel Dr. Murphy is there only for weight loss surgeries, only for bariatric surgeries. And many of the patients post-surgery do develop gallbladder stones and they feel it's Dr. Murphy does only bariatric surgery. So just for everyone to know that we do perform a lot of digestive surgeries, GI surgeries, whether it's cancer related or digestive system related. So please get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to consult you all with, fix a consult with Dr. Murphy. So till he logs in, we have a couple of people more who can, share their journey. One we have, I don't know, V2022, I don't know. Ma'am, आपने नाम नहीं डाला है. I don't know how. I really don't know how to put. There is no name, literally no name. Okay, both the females have not put any names. There are only 2 females on, I mean, there are 4, but the man, someone with headphones. Can you introduce yourself, please? Because there's no name of yours, please. That is the reason we always say, please put your names there, because our team keeps expanding or compressing, but it's better so that we get to know. I don't know how in a better manner to address. Hello. Okay, I guess you should put up the camera. Ma'am, आप जिसने चश्मा पहना है मैम, आपका नाम आप प्लीज अनम्यूट करके आपकी जर्नी बता सकते हो? यस, फाइनली. हाँ जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. आप ईयरफोन्स भी निकाल के स्पीकर आती है. हाँ जी, अभी आई. हेलो, बोलिए प्लीज.
हेलो.
हाँ जी, बोलिए. आपको आवाज आ रही है हमारी?
हाँ, आपकी आ रही है आवाज.
हाँ जी, बोलिए बोलिए. आपकी जर्नी के बारे में, आप सबकी जर्नी एंजॉय कर रहे थे. अभी आपकी बारी, आपकी जर्नी आप हम सबको बताने के लिए. शुरुआत आपके नाम से करिए, क्योंकि आपने नाम डाला ही नहीं है.
जी, मेरा नाम सबीना यूसुफ कपाडिया है
जी. मैं
सूरत से हूँ और मेरा वजन 130 किलो था और मैं अभी मेरा 78 लास्ट गया था. अभी मेरे 6 इयर्स हो गए मेरे ऑपरेशन को और मुझे बहुत अच्छा, मेरे को भी डायबिटीज और प्रेशर और सब था, वो सब निकल गया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि मुझे ये ऐसा मिला और डॉक्टर ने मेरे बहुत साथ दिया और मेरा बहुत अच्छे डॉक्टर ने मेरे साथ किया, इसलिए मुझे उनका, मैं आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल डॉक्टर. मेरे को ये जिंदगी जैसे ऐसा लगा कि उनसे ही मिली है, नहीं तो मैं ऐसे हो गई थी कि जैसा मैं जी नहीं पाऊंगी. ऐसा हो गया था। लेकिन मैंने उनसे मीटिंग की और कह रहा तो उन्होंने मुझे इतना कॉन्फिडेंस मिल गया कि मैं ये सब चीज मैं तैयार हो गई और मैं ऑपरेशन के लिए, और उन्होंने मुझे क्या उसके बाद मैं बहुत खुश हुआ। बस इतना ही है।
लास्ट कब मिले थे आप डॉक्टर मूफी से?
मैं उनसे कॉफी के लिए आए थे, मैं इधर ही मिली थी, सूरत में आए थे जब ही मिली थी उनसे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
और मैं देख के मेरे को सरप्राइज हो गए थे देखकर।
ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट। तो मुझे अब ये बताइए, ऐसी कौन सी चीज सर्जरी बाद हुई है जो आपकी लाइफ चेंज कर दी, आप करना चाहते थे और सर्जरी बाद आप कर पा रहे हो?
काम जो मैं घर का काम नहीं कर पाती थी, वैसे अब मैं सब कुछ कर सकती हूँ। मैं सब कर रही हूँ घर में भी, और कुकिंग वुकिंग वगैरह सब में अब हो रहा है मेरा, ऐसा है।
वाह, ओके, ग्रेट। तो आप प्लीज कॉल पे रहिए सबरीना जी। आप
जी
जब डॉक्टर मूफी आएंगे हम कनेक्ट करवा देंगे। आप सबको 1-1 मिनट बात करने का मौका जरूर मिलेगा उन सबसे, तो प्लीज स्टे ऑन कॉल। वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट पेशेंट, बुरहानी सोहागपुर वाला। कैमरा सबने ऑफ कर दिए हैं। आई डोंट नो आप मुझसे क्यों शर्मा रहे हो, हम ही आपकी हेल्प कर सकते हैं।
इंटरव्यू लिया मेरा।
डॉक्टर मूफी आएंगे, आप डॉक्टर मूफी आप सबको देखने आ रहे हैं और आप सब के बैठे हो, तो प्लीज मैंने आई थिंक से ये
प्लीज चश्मे वाले जाओ।
कहा है कैमरा ऑन करिए। कैसा लगेगा अगर हमने कैमरा ऑन करके सिर्फ बात की है रेडियो की तरह? ये वीडियो कॉल है, ऑडियो कॉल नहीं। ओके, बुरहानी वाला। यस यस नेहा।
Yeah, you can hear me and you can see me, right?
Yes, yes, we can hear you, we can see you.
Well, I have put you on mute so that I can listen to everyone. And यहाँ का आवाज नहीं आ जाना चाहिए, तो I have gone on mute. So just tell me when Dr. Mufi comes in. In the meanwhile, I'll just finish up with mine.
Absolutely, I'll tell you when Dr. Mufi comes. But stay on call. Let me see that
Yes.
everyone
Yes,
are
I'm
not
very-
sleeping.
I want to see him after so many years. Aaj I'll be looking.
Yes, yes. Please stay on call. You will get a chance. He's just caught up in a meeting and he'll be in a couple of minutes. So that is the reason I'm here, so that aap sabko pata chale that we have a big family. You can, share your journey. You can talk to each other, be motivated, inspire people.
तो मेरा लिया तो क्या फील होता है, तुम क्या अच्छी बनी?
That lockdown has taught us to use our phone, social media to an extreme extent. So make the most of it. I know we all love Dr. Mufi, but are we keeping a track on what he's doing, what his team is doing, what he is doing for all of you all? Some of them who are nodding, I know they are following us on social media. That's where I'm coming to. Dr. Mufi, coolest people you'll meet, who likes to keep us updated by what he's doing on social media, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. So keep posting. I mean, stay at least, keep following us on DHI page. That will help you see the journey. You can be a role model there. I know हम सबको modeling करना अच्छा लगता है, but why can't be a role model, change someone's life, benefit, bring a positive change? So please share your before and after pictures. We'll be more than happy to post them on our page, and follow us on Instagram as well. Constantly जो हमारे lives होते हैं, we keep on educating people what to do, what not to do, what is Dr. Mufi's take, what is he recommending, his you can say expertise. So please keep following us there on Soul Fuel. Why? Because the benefits of Soul Fuel, who should take protein, the good, and all the interesting stuff around protein is going on. So please follow Soul Fuel as well. And we have Health Start for all the in general health, wellness, knowledge on that. So please follow करिए आप वो सारे.
अच्छा,
आप वो सारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल्स प्लीज फॉलो कर सकते हो. इट्स ओके समीना जी, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप टेंशन मत लीजिए. Oh, so, Amarji is telling me I put on a lot of put on weight. Yes, I'm not being very fit, and being the lockdown effect, I'm so busy taking care of everyone. I'm not taking care of myself, which is a very bad part. तो ये सबके लिए है, सबका ध्यान रखते रखते खुद का ध्यान रखना मत भूलिए, just like me. So, and also I'm still in the normal BMI range. So yeah, I'm still maintaining myself. Again, bringing about that, if you are, let's get on an online program where you can also lose weight, I also can lose weight. All right. Yeah, that's about it. Please, I'm sure सबीना जी आप किचन में बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हो, सबका ध्यान रखते हो, प्रोटीन लेते हो कि नहीं? अगर नहीं ले रहे तो लेना स्टार्ट करिए, और अगर कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग बना रहे हो तो हमारे साथ भी शेयर करिए. This is for everyone. This is for everyone because I have seen people making something so innovative like a protein pancakes. जब pancakes बना रहे हो बैटर में प्रोटीन डाल दो. This is how cool. Oat meals के अंदर हम डाल सकते हैं. So all these things are very, very simple जो आप कर सकते हो. And if you follow our Soulfuel page, we'll be soon posting about interesting recipes, interesting tips on how to make your protein intake better. आप क्या कर सकते हो in a very simple, interesting manner. So please follow. It's just for a reason हम कह रहे हैं. It's not just के आप follow करके छोड़ दीजिए. Keep updated, stay on track, and whatever queries you have, we keep running a lot of offers during special days like a Women's Day, Father's Day, or if there are any festivals. So please make the most of it. Okay, and if there is anything that you want to ask clinical nutrition, of course, after the call, we'll be more than happy to address. So Zainab is trying to connect. We'll get her also on call. Hi, Zainab. Okay, I mean, Zainab is having a lot of network issues. Okay, she's I think so logged out. All right. So anything, since Dr. Giriraj is here, is there anyone else who wants to ask something in general to him? And he'll be more than happy to address those issues. Like, for example, how Primanshu said about, we thought you're looking really good and, you know, keeping the trend for the beard, but you did bring us, like you did point out a problem of yours, but that's really nice. I'm happy that you shared about it. क्या ऐसी कोई दिक्कत है किसी को? Amarji, you posted oats, protein supplements, dosa, mung oats, protein chilla. You're going to send all those recipes. We are waiting for that. केजी जी, मुंबई जी, आप कुछ पूछना चाहोगे डॉक्टर गिरिराज को जो स्किन हेयर अगर रिलेटेड ऐसे कुछ प्रॉब्लम है, नॉट हेयर रिलेटेड, स्किन रिलेटेड, लूज स्किन, ऐसा कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो?
डॉक्टर गिरिराज, जैसे मेरी एज अबाउट 65 है, तो वो तो एज के हिसाब से भी मेरा थोड़ा स्किन लूज होगा, तो उसका कुछ आप कर सकेंगे क्या? इसी तरह ही रखना पड़ेगा?
नहीं, आप फेस के बारे में बात कर रहे हो कि बॉडी का बात कर रहे हो?
नहीं, तो फेस का थोड़ा इस जगह से देखे थोड़ा. नहीं,
डेफिनेटली हम फेस का भी कर सकते हैं. आप जब भी आपका ये हो जाएगा, मन हो जाएगा, तो आप आके मिलिए, हम उसके बारे में बात करेंगे. दूसरी बात, सिंस वी आर वेटिंग, मैं एक और चीज बोलना चाहता हूँ कि ये जो हम प्रोसीजर करेंगे बॉडी कंटूरिंग का, क्या ये कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर है? ये कई बार मुझे पूछा जाता है. So, अगर आप क्लासिफिकेशन देखोगे तो टेक्निकली यस, इट इज अ कॉस्मेटिक प्रोसीजर, लेकिन स्पेशली आफ्टर वेट लॉस जब हम इस प्रोसीजर्स के बारे में बात करते हैं, जैसे इवन मिस्टर प्रिमांशु चौधरी सेड कि ही इज फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स व्हाइल वॉकिंग, ही हैज टू लाइक यू नो समटाइम्स टेक केयर ऑफ द स्किन जस्ट टू मेक श्योर दैट ही कैन वॉक प्रॉपर्ली. ये कई लोगों का ये प्रॉब्लम होता है. सो टेक्निकली यस, इसको आप बोल सकते हो कि कॉस्मेटिक सर्जरी है, लेकिन जब आपका 50-60 किलो वेट लॉस हुआ है तो इन ट्रू सेंस वो कॉस्मेटिक नहीं है, क्योंकि आपको उसके वजह से स्किन इरिटेशन हो सकता है. जब स्किन अपने आप के ऊपर फॉल हो जाती है तो बिटवीन द स्किन स्वेटिंग की वजह से आपको रैश हो सकती है. दूसरी बात है कि आपने वेट लॉस कर लिया, लेकिन फिर भी आपको क्लोथ्स थोड़े से आपके लूज करने पड़ते हैं, बिकॉज अगर आप प्रॉपर फिटिंग के क्लोथ्स पहनोगे तो वो स्किन का प्रॉब्लम जो है वो आप ज़्यादा फेस करने लगोगे. सो टेक्निकली येस, एट द एंड ऑफ द प्रोसीजर आप बेहतर दिखेंगे, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द पेशेंट जिन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा वेट लॉस किया है और बाद में मेरे पास से सर्जरी कराया है, उनका प्राइमरी एम कॉस्मेटिक ना होके ये था कि अभी हम इस स्किन से तंग आ गए हैं और हमको ये स्किन निकालनी है. So the result is cosmetic. The reason is not cosmetic. For most of the patients that we have done. So this is just an additional thing that I wanted to share.
ठीक है, अभी थोड़ा लॉकडाउन का प्रोसेस कुछ कम होता तो मैं मुंबई आके आपसे मिलता हूँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, definitely.
थैंक यू.
Yeah.
Dr. Giriraj, hi, Amar here.
Hi, how are you?
Hi.
Long time.
I'm fine. Yeah, long time.
Yeah.
So now basically I've also started for the thighs surgery for the loose sagging on the thigh side portion also.
Yeah, we can do for the thighs as well. See, commonly affected areas होते हैं arms, chest, abdomen, thighs, and for some people back. So these are the most commonly affected areas. Thighs पे भी हम कर सकते हैं definitely. लेकिन जब भी हमने discuss किया था, we had discussed a lot of issues regarding that. I think Dr.
Yeah.
Murthy is here.
For the
Everybody was
lymphatic
waiting
thing.
for Sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Dr. Murthy is here, as everyone can see. So let's start our evening. We all were waiting for Dr. Murthy to speak to him. So I know not making you wait more. You're the first one to speak to Dr. Murthy. Over to you. You have a minute. You can unmute yourself and go ahead.
Me, Apa?
Amar, tell me.
Hi, sir. How are you?
Very well, Amar.
Yes. Things are fine, sir. Things are fine. Just yesterday, 2 days back, took my first shot for Covishield.
Very good.
Yes. A mild pain, that's it. Otherwise, everything is fine. No fever, nothing.
Super.
And the other part, sir, eagerly waiting to see you in person. So whenever we get a chance, definitely want to come and meet you, and of course discuss about the further things with the Dr. Giriraj Gandhi, how to take the entire sagging skin problem to wade away from the body.
No, definitely.
And how are the entire 2 new members of the family also? We've been just not posting much picture of them, but yes.
I have just decided that I'm going to keep family out of social media posting. That's the
Okay, sir. But
so
definitely,
let's keep it professional and keep it at that.
yes, that's true. But eagerly waiting to meet you and start the entire the entire thing subside to come and just start doing the workout again with you.
Sure.
Yes.
Stay safe then. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you, Mr. Ramar. Thank you. Sneha, over to you. Sneha, I'm not able to hear you. You have to log in and log out. Meanwhile,
Yeah.
we can move to Mr. KG Monga.
Sneha, we can't hear you.
Sneha, you need to log out and log in again. We are not able to hear you, not audible. Okay? So meanwhile, Monga ji, आप डॉक्टर मूवी से बात करना चाह रहे थे, वो आ गए।
डॉक्टर साहब जय माता की।
जय माता दी। कैसे हैं आप?
बस डॉक्टर साहब बहुत दिन हो गए आपको मिले हुए, तो अभी तो दिल्ली का प्रोग्राम आपका कुछ बन नहीं रहा होगा, तो हमें मुंबई आना होगा, तो थोड़ा सा लॉकडाउन में तो काफी दिन हो गया। एक बार आपसे मिलके थोड़ा आगे का भी, जैसे अभी डॉक्टर गिरिराज ने बोला, देख के आप कुछ आपसे सजेशन लेके फिर ये कराया जाए तो ठीक है।
कभी भी आप जब भी कहो तब।
थोड़ा लॉकडाउन का प्रोसीजर थोड़ा ठीक हो जाए तो फिर उसके बाद में आपसे मिलते हैं आगे।
बिल्कुल पक्का। गिरिराज जी के लिए भी थोड़ी सेंटेड कैंडल्स लेके आ जाना, अगरबत्ती लेके आ जाना। वाह।
थैंक यू
ठीक
आपको
है।
याद है, इसका मतलब मैंने सोचा भूल गए होंगे, लेकिन याद है आपको।
नहीं, मैं भूलता नहीं हूँ।
थैंक यू।
चलिए, जय माता दी, जय माता दी।
जय माता दी।
Thank you, Mangaji. But now, everyone, of course, as we move ahead, please get your coffee mugs ready. Dr. Murphy is here. We need the coffee to complete it. So, moving on now, we have Primanshu.
Yes, Dr. Murphy. 6 years, 146 to 78, been able to maintain for last 6 years. You had done my operation at the Safi Hospital. Good to see you again. We have met once, but last few years, it's sometimes doctors are good when you don't need them. That's probably is a better, way to tell. But yeah, you are always in our thoughts there because this would not have been possible without you.
Thank you so much for the credit, but I think a huge chunk of that credit has to go to you to keep maintaining the weight loss and to keep ahead of the disease, as I would say.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
But please, just once a year, whatever reports you do, please just send them to us so that we have it on our database. We can, we won't disturb you, but at the same time, if there is anything which is a red flag, we would then call you up and tell you that, Primanshu, please take care about this or this.
Oh, absolutely.
Yummy now.
Yes. Thank you, Primanshu. Thank you so much. Yes, Neha, we are able to hear you. Please go ahead.
Can you see me?
Yes, I can see you.
We can hear you. We can do everything.
Okay. How are you, doctor? It's been a very long time.
Very good. Very good. How's things with you?
Yeah, a little bit unwell that I am being recently. So I've already spoken to Afaf and I'll be coming to see you as soon as I get an appointment with you. But these 10 years have been the most amazing journey of my life.
Super.
Work-wise, confidence-wise, and this is how I look. Thanks to you.
Fantastic. It's great to see these smiles.
And it is always great to see you. You have put smile across so many people. I guess even in their prayers, somewhere or the other, you're always there. Especially when you happen to meet new people who come across when you're with your children and they don't feel that you are their mother. I think that is the biggest compliment you get. And you motivate your entire family. It's not just one person who has a weight loss. It's for the entire family and friends and everybody. In my family, I can say Mr. and Mrs. Bhoite, Vijay Kumar Bhoite, his wife, they both have got operated with you. They are leading a wonderful life. So one leads to another, and I think it's a chain of events for good, for their health and everything positive. So I'm really thankful.
It's great.
To the entire team, to Carla and to Zoya, and now Afaf, obviously. So it has been great, absolutely great. No, wonderful to see you. Half I'm feeling already better. The rest half you will take care of it.
No, we'll take care of that, definitely. Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Yes, Neha was like, I have so many problems, but I'm very sure the moment I see Dr. Murphy, half of my problems will just disappear away. So I want to meet him in person.
No, so let's plan it at the earliest then. Maybe next week.
Absolutely. After Tuesday, once I get my reports that Afaf has given me, I will definitely drop in because I have to come and see you. Otherwise, that vaccination of energy that comes from your smile, I don't think so. COVID also has it.
No, we'll get this done. So anytime after Tuesday, we'll get this sorted.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Neha. We will make sure you get an appointment ASAP. So before we move on to the next person, I once more reminding, please get your coffee mugs ready. After the next person, we're going to click a picture with the coffee mug. All right. So now moving to Mr. Anil Agarwal.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening. Good evening, doctor.
Anil, how are you?
I am good, doctor. Nice to see you after a long time.
Better now.
I'll talk to you on I'm trying to get a appointment for you. The only complaint is that Afaf has stopped looking after me these days.
Really? Okay. We'll take this up. We'll take this up.
Actually take care, but nowadays she has started avoiding. I don't know why.
But Abhi, sugars and all are better.
Yes, no, hypoglycemia is not better actually, but otherwise things are better. I've gained a little weight also because I had gone underweight. From 147 to it went down to 70. Now I am around 77, 78. So it's fairly
I
good, and
know
I
they,
feel a lot of strength also now as compared to the earlier days.
This COVID came in the middle. The last time we spoke was just before COVID, I think.
Long time back before that.
COVID
But the
also
only
once
problem
when-
of the hypoglycemia is like horrible. Like it goes down to as low as 22, 24, 25 sugar.
No, because of that pancreatic this thing. So we'll have to look at it from that point of view.
If you can.
Last report, I know that what you had done with Dr. Jagannath, and then you come and show me. And I
Yes.
told Afaf that I want to look at this tumor in the pancreas and look at it carefully. And then this whole thing happened, and it's been now 2 years almost since.
Yeah, because of the COVID, we couldn't meet each other physically. But if you think that it has to be taken out, it has to be taken out, I'm sure. And then
That's the cause. That's the cause. We'll look at it. So whenever you have the time now, just get in touch with us and we'll try and have a look at it. Yeah.
Sure, doctor. Wonderful feeling, seeing you and talking to you and seeing Afaf, and it's been really wonderful association.
No,
In
great
spite
to
of
see
all the challenges that came in the last 3 years.
Yeah, that's okay. That it's something which is cropped up. It's that pancreatic tumor. We'll take care of it. Don't worry. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Anilji. I'll give you my new number. I'm not ignoring you. My WhatsApp is.
Arey, I'm joking. Yaar. Why will you ignore me?
No, really nice to see you. You have maintained yourself really well. We'll get in touch as soon as possible. Thank you.
Thank you.
And now we have the pretty one, Darshana. Darshana, please unmute yourself.
Hi, I'm Darshana.
Hi, Darshana. How are you?
How are you, doctor? All good. I did it in 2015 December, bypass bariatric. Doing fine. The only problem here is I have a lot of iron loss all the time. I have to, keep on taking drifts, those IV. And then I would not know why I'm feeling so dizzy all the time. But then I realized my iron would be less or my sugar goes low. So
what we'll do is now, Darshana, what Afaf,
yes, sir.
We'll have to probably try and change the iron supplement that she's taking. Keep a very close watch for the next 6 months. And
Yes,
then we'll show her to a hematologist and try and see.
Yes, sir. We'll do a detailed follow-up with her. We haven't followed up since a really long time, and we'll do the needful.
Thanks for calling today, by the way. That was really good. And otherwise, I'm good. Only thing is that we've also got in touch with this doctor, and my major issue is I'm losing muscles from my face. So I had major jaw issues, and my socket has come out. I went to jaw specialist. He said, this is because you're losing all the muscles all over your face. What is the reason of so much of muscle loss?
So usually, see, we have muscles on the face, right? There's so many muscles on the face, but you never lose muscles on the face. You can lose muscle core from other parts of the body, never from your face. So who did you show it to who said you've lost muscle from the face?
I forgot the doctor's name, Dr. Ashok. I think he's here at Kandawadi, near, what is that area? Dr. Anil Mehta had suggested me to go to him. He's a jaw specialist. I forgot his name. I'll give it to Afaf.
Because you never lose muscle from the face. Yes, you
No,
can.
that's what he said, that the socket here, all is spouting out because you've lost the muscle over here.
Yeah, you lose fat from that area. You never lose muscle. Yeah, so that's why it becomes more prominent. That's why if you see people who lose weight, their jawline becomes prominent. Yeah, that's because of fat loss, not muscle loss.
Okay. Then nothing to worry.
No, nothing to worry. Nothing to worry.
Okay. So I think that's the
But
major
yeah,
issue. Iron
we'll
is the
look at
only
your
issue
iron.
I feel.
We'll look at your iron.
Otherwise, I'm good. I've also lost around 40 kilos. I was 100 kg initially. Now I'm around 58.
Super, super.
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's good. And I can eat well.
That's good. That's good. But let's look at your iron. Yeah.
Yes.
Great.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshana. We'll get in touch post our meeting after this. So now, everyone, get your coffee mugs. So we can, and on the count of 3, the picture will be clicked. So we're waiting as, okay, so get your coffee mugs up here. Okay, on a count of 3, we'll be clicking a picture. So put the best smile on and please put on your cameras. Okay? Alright, so 1.
The picture.
Okay. Archana is still getting. Great. All right. So on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Done. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Darshana. Please stay on line. We'll be, of course, connecting with you. Next, we have Mr. Vikas Gupta.
Yes. Hi, everyone.
Hello. Hi, Vikas. How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you, doctor. How are you?
All good. All good.
Doing a great work in COVID.
Thank you.
I've been reading a lot about you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So Vikas actually is feeling shy, but he lost 50 kgs. He's doing well. So now he's like, okay, all my problems are resolved. He wanted to say thank you, but I can say his loss of words after seeing Dr. Mufi.
I wanted to say thank you, and I wanted to claim all my wardrobe charges from Dr. Mufi's clinic.
As long as we both wear the same kind of wardrobe, the same tailor, I don't mind. Because I think the amount of cloth required now by a tailor will be much less. It'll fit both of us.
True, actually, I've started wearing ready-made clothes. Earlier, I used to get the clothes.
No, but that's great. That's great. Please keep up the weight loss and keep going that way. Yeah.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you so much, Vikas. Thank you. We have next with us. Let me just check. Sir, Ms. Kapadia, आप unmute करके बात कर सकते हो, सुब्निया जी? Can you ask her to unmute? हाँ जी, वो माइक का बटन है ना, उसे प्रेस करिए. पहले कैसे अनम्यूट किए थे? हाँ जी, बोलिए.
हाँ, डॉक्टर, मैं आपको देख के बहुत खुश हुई हूँ. आपने मेरा ऑपरेशन किया, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. मैं सब काम कर सकती हूँ. आप, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. और मुझे बस एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं वो ये थोड़ा मेरा वेट 7 किलो 6 साल में हो गया है. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसका?
नहीं, इंशाल्लाह वो देख लेंगे. आप एक बार अफाफ को कंसल्ट कर देना प्लीज नेक्स्ट वीक में, कैसे भी करके, और फिर मुझे भी ऑनलाइन ले लेगी और फिर हम देखते हैं क्या करना है.
और प्रोटीन अभी लेना है मुझे?
हाँ, तो वो एक बार कंसल्ट कर दोगे ना, आपकी सब रिपोर्ट्स वगैरह सब रह जाएंगे, तो फिर हम देख पाएंगे कि क्यों वेट गेन हुआ है और उसके लिए क्या हम कर सकते हैं.
ओके डॉक्टर.
ठीक है, अगले वीक में प्लीज अफाफ प्लीज गेट ऑनलाइन.
Yes, done. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. We have Kavita Gada also. Hi Kavita, you need to unmute yourself.
Hello everybody. Hello doctor. Nice to see you all.
Hi Kavita, how are you?
I'm doing good. I'm having some trouble of frozen shoulder.
Have you shown it to somebody?
Yeah. I just I'm having my physiotherapy done. And
ultrasound has been done.
Weight has gained little nahi, it's quite more. So I just wanted to come again to you.
Please come and see us. Please come.
In between, I tried to contact you, but because of COVID, I could not do that.
No, COVID has put everything up and down. So next week, let's consult.
Last year I was suffering from gallbladder stone, so I had to remove my gallbladder. But I could not contact you. So थोड़ा डर गई थी तभी मैं जब आपका contact.
क्यों? Why couldn't you contact her?
I tried my best to communicate with you, but I could not get the आप लोग उधर COVID service में थे तभी, and I did not want it किसी और के पास मुझे नहीं जाना था आपके अलावा, तो मैं थोड़ा घबरा गई थी तब.
Okay, अभी ठीक हो ना?
Yeah, I'm all right now.
Okay, but let's meet this week, or I'll just make sure.
Yes. Yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, I'll take the appointment and come.
ठीक है कविता.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kavita ji. We'll be meeting you really soon. Thank you. Mahadev ji is on call. Abhishek has logged in. हाँ जी, आपको अनम्यूट करना होगा.
हेलो.
हेलो, कैसे हैं आप?
डॉक्टर प्रणाम डॉक्टर बाबू।
प्रणाम प्रणाम, कैसे आप?
अभी ठीक है डॉक्टर बाबू। आपने जो ऑपरेशन किया तो बहुत अच्छा हुआ ऑपरेशन, और अभी खाली जो है वो लेट्रिन की सुविधा हुई थी, तो यहाँ पर एक डॉक्टर को दिखाए थे, वो एक दवाई दी है, जो दवाई खाते हैं तब वो लेट्रिन होती है, और नहीं तो लेट्रिन नहीं होती है। वो एक देना दवाई का।
मुझे फिक्र थी कि आपको ज्यादा ही लैट्रिन होगी जब आप वो प्रॉब्लम लेके आए थे मेरे पास।
हाँ?
आपका तो बड़ा ही प्रॉब्लम हो गया है।
हाँ जी।
मुझे फिक्र थी कि आपको बहुत ज्यादा लैट्रिन होगी।
हाँ, ये दवाई खा रहा हूँ मैं।
फोटो भेज दीजिए अभिषेक, प्लीज उसका फोटो भेज देना, मैं डॉक्टर मूफी से एक बार क्रॉस चेक करा के आपको बता दूंगी इसके बारे में।
हाँ जी मैम।
कैसे हो?
हाँ ठीक है सर, आप कैसे हैं?
पापा अच्छे दिख रहे हैं।
हाँ एकदम ठीक है, टॉयलेट वगैरह क्लियर है। लैक्टी हैप बोल के मेडिसिन ले रहे हैं, लैक्टी हैप।
लैक्टी हैप,
हाँ।
जैसे
मुझे तब इतना इंटेस्टाइन हम लोग ने निकाले थे, मुझे तो फिक्र थी कि ज्यादा इमोशंस हो गए, ये तो उल्टा ही हो गया।
एकदम ठीक है सर, एकदम सब कुछ बढ़िया है, कहीं पर कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। और आपका पाउडर जो है वो ले रहे हैं, उससे भी उनको काफी राहत है।
प्लीज वो चालू रखना। हाँ
हाँ जी सर।
ठीक है।
ओके, थैंक यू अभिषेक। प्लीज मुझे इसका आप फोटो भेज देना, मैं डॉक्टर मूफी से के आपको आगे बता दूंगी कि क्या करना है।
ठीक है मैम, थैंक यू मैम।
Okay, thank you very much, each and everyone, especially Dr. Mufi. As I said that Dr. Mufi took time specially out to make sure that he gets in touch with all of us. So whoever wants to meet Dr. Mufi, don't worry. We are going to make sure you get an appointment with him, virtual or in person, and we'll be meeting soon. So please take care, stay safe. Dr. Mufi, anything you would like to tell everyone who has logged in today before we meet again?
मैं आप लोग से सिर्फ ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि प्लीज अगर आप हमारे टच में नहीं रहे हो या किसी भी कारण से वी हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू गेट इन टच विथ यू, अगर आपने हर साल पे टेस्ट किए, ब्लड टेस्ट किए, तो उसकी एक कॉपी अफाफ को भेज दीजिए। एंड ईयर ऑन ईयर आपका वेट कितना था, सपोज इतना वेट था, तो अगर उसका every year after surgery आपका average weight आपको पता रहेगा कितना था। If you can send us those details, it will really help us complete our records. So जितने भी लोग कॉल पे हैं, अगर आपके दोस्त जिन्होंने सर्जरी की हमसे कांटेक्ट में नहीं है, we just need your blood reports हर साल के, and average weight loss जो आपका हो टाइम पे हुआ था, जितना बॉटम वेट हुआ था, अगर वेट रिगेन हुआ तो कितना हुआ है, वो सब चाहिए हमें। थैंक यू।
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stay in touch, and we'll keep you updated about what's happening next, and hope to see all of you soon. Thank you very much, Dr.
अफाफ जी, आपका नंबर मुझे मिल सकता है?
जी जरूर, हम आपको खुद कॉल करेंगे
अपॉइंटमेंट वगैरह के लिए। आपसे बात डायरेक्ट हो जाए।
I will get in touch with you.
Thank you.
Share your numbers with me also, Anil here.
Yes sir, don't worry, I'm going to share my number with each and everyone.
And help me get an appointment to talk in details about the problems.
Absolutely, I shall do that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. You came in today.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Mufi, for giving us so much time. It really helps boost whatever slow we feel because of the certain things going around us, and it's really great that you are still taking the initiative and putting yourself on the line to help so many people. And apart from that, taking so much time to be in touch with each and everyone, it's really appreciated. And I'm
Thank
really
you.
grateful.
Thank you, Sneha.
See, as soon as possible we can.
Yes, absolutely, I shall do that.
Rita, you remember me?
Yes, Neha, I messaged you. Just try to call you. Give me your number.
Take it from above.
Yes, sure.
I
want to talk to you.
All right, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Giriraj. I'm sure you have touched everyone else today who have been facing issues. Thank you very much for logging in today. Thank you very much. I hope to see all of you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Please take care.
Bye.
Yes, zarur. Thank you.
Kavita's number. I'll text you.
I shall do that. Thank you.
It's been very long. I haven't been in touch with anybody.
Yeah, that's true.
Thank you
Bye bye.
so
Thank
much.
you.
Yeah, take care, Kavita. Take care of us.
नेहा अभी कॉल करो मुझे.
पक्का पक्का मेरा नंबर आप से ले लो.
Sure.